Uh, One day, my friend and I went to a park, which was close to my home. So we went there. It was in the evening time. We went there, and um before go to the park, we bought some snacks with us, and we went inside the park. There were a lot of children, they were playing. Hi friends, this is Pavitra. Welcome back to my channel. And today I just come with a new activity, good activity I can say, that is storytelling. Because I really enjoy this activity. I really love to listen, love to tell stories, and love to listen to stories too. So I thought, okay, let's do some kind of activity. So I already picked 5 words. So I have to create a story by using those 5 words. Before this video, I have chosen these words. So only 5 words. It's very simple one. So I have to create very simple story, not the complex one. And because still now I have been learning this language, I think this activity help us to think in English, and it helps us to improve. It helps us to improve our fluency or spoken part too. So I took 5 words. Those are rain, umbrella, stranger, phone, promise. Those are like a rain, umbrella, stranger, phone, promise. If you are watching this video, you can also pick the exact 5 words, and definitely you will create different stories. Yes, so today I just want to share a story with you, which I'm going to create by using these 5 words. Let's see how is it going. If I make any mistakes, please put it in the comment. I have to learn from you guys. Yes, okay, let's start our story. Uh, One day, my friend and I went to a park, which was close to my home. So we went there. It was in the evening time. We went there, and um, before go to the park, we bought some snacks with us, and we went inside the park. There were a lot of children, they were playing some games inside the park. We we were walking, and while walking we were talking and we were eating. So, and after some time later, we played some kind of simple games inside the park. After some time later, we drained out. So, we sat in on the bench, and we just uh, uh, saw some kind of nature around us. After few minutes later, the rain started. So, but fortunately, I carried an umbrella with me. So I opened it. We are safe. We were safe. We were inside the umbrella, so we didn't wet in the rain. After a few minutes later, we thought, okay, let's go to the home. But unfortunately, i I left the phone in the park. I didn't check my bag, the phone, it was there or not. So I went to my home. Once I reached my home, my brother asked me, Pavi, can you give your phone? I have to call someone. Then I searched in my bag, but there was no phone at all. So I got, uh, what can I say? I got nervous. I got disappointment. I got fear where I missed like that. So where I lost it, like that. I got um, some kind of bad moment. I suddenly got sad, I can say. So after that, once I realized there was no phone, I started to cry. I didn't know what can I do, what can I do. But my brother started to scold me. uh, so I just told him, please kept it promise, please don't tell to mother, otherwise she will definitely scold me. Please don't tell. Like that I started to uh, ask him. So, but unfortunately, the stranger who took my phone, he called to my brother, because my brother number it was in the top. So finally my brother told, there was a call from your phone. Then I told, picked it. I don't know, maybe someone took this phone and they were calling for me. But the stranger told, yes, your sister left this phone in the park, so if you come this bus stop you can collect it. So after that only I got happy. After that I was happy. After that I was happy. And before that I was very sad, because without phone it's very difficult, right? So after that I was very happy, and my brother went to the bus stop, and he carried my phone. Once I received my phone, I'm really happy. Otherwise I have to buy a new phone, right? So this is the story today. I knew I made a lot of mistakes, but still I can say it is a good practice to improve our English, to improve our thinking power in English. So if you're watching this video, try to make a simple story by using these words. And yes, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and till then, take care. Bye bye. I will meet in the next video.